Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
And if you want that field should be mandatory, then above, wherever you are seeing required equal to true, copy it and just paste it. Got it. And you can able to save it. After saving it, we need to import back into the system. These are the. Tell me what is something I said yes, yes. That's. These are the two things which I thought to cover up in the today's session, that is for the XML part in the tomorrow's session. But we will go into another tab and we will see another way. And also we will try to create some fields and save it and import it. After importing it, we will see that reflecting in the front end screen. Once it has been done, then that corporate data model, that is for the XML part, we will be completed. Then we will be coming into the succession data model. In the succession data model, we don't have any option of working the XML. But SAP has introduced another feature in the front end, which is an extended part of succession data model. That also we will try to cover up in the coming session. I don't want to increase the pace because these topics are a bit important, that these are foundational topics. And if you know these topics and we don't have, although this is something like a plus point, that in the month of November 2021, they introduced these options from the front end for working with the XML. Otherwise, only certified consultants with access from the SAP only can able to go into the provision. Otherwise, we cannot able to access the XML. I will show you how to work on it. You can able to practice for certain things, but whenever you are practicing, make sure that after practicing, make the system back to normal by importing the old one. Always keep a copy of the version, but whenever you are working on it, you work on modify on the copy one, not the original one. Because if you do some modification on the older one, we cannot able to retrieve it because we don't have a backup. That is the best practice. Try to adapt that practice in the training session that you can do it. You will follow the same in the projects also. This is I have taken a part of location group and the location. As you asked me, like all the foundation objects, all the foundation objects will be controlled from the XML. That is from the corporate document. When we are downloading it, we have this XML, and when you want to open that XML, you should have a Notepad++ or XML pad editor, or this one, what you call Oxygen XML editor. Any of these trial versions you can able to try. And then you can able to work on it, save the things, and then we will see how to import it we will. We are still in the initial phase. Tomorrow we will be completing this XML that you can able to explore that part. That's it from my end as on today, and we'll continue in the tomorrow's session. We will go into the another tab and see. Today we have only seen the source tab where we have these two options, where one is from this is element we can able to work on. And another is from this particular screen where we try to understand how the designing of that XML is being done from the HIS element, starting with the HIS element with ID and the label, then the translation, then various standard HIS fields with the attributes for the each fields, and then with the custom fields where we have 4 different custom fields: string, date, number and decimals. And then we can also see where in some objects we can see the association by end of the custom fields. That code also we can see. In this way it is being designed, and we can able to customize it and modify it as per our requirement, excluding the IDs. This we have completed today, and tomorrow we will further go into another tab and continue the XML and will complete it. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.